let the games begin. Well, hello there, gentlemen. Welcome to Gentleman's Caddy. My friends call me Junior, and this here is the Boker Packlite here, BFF and Magna Cut. Now, if you see my previous review here, you'll know that I'm going to go ahead and install the slabs, which I purchased here from a cutlery shop. Now, this happened to be in jute micarta. I thought it was unique, so I figured let me go ahead and install that there. The beautiful thing here about this here blade is that you can just either carry it like this, and this is just a beautiful knife in and of itself, considering it's so well done here with the fit and finish here. Very nice milling and chamfering here. Very well done there by Boker, their Soligen factory there. Nice stone washed finish here, clip point blade. Now, for my larger hands, I figured I'd go ahead and put on the slabs just to give me a little bit more of a grip there. So let's go ahead and get to it there. We got the slabs in here. Good thing I have a knife here. I've been seeing more of these jute micarta. So, you know, a jute meaning like a burlap there. Seems to be more of a, it's a natural material here. I like that look to it though. It gives it a natural feel to it. It's like a burlap knife here. So, very well done here with all the machining here. So I also bought these here on Cutlery Shop's website as well, and there are many different options available, to say the least. I always like that when manufacturers provide options there for us fellas here, just to customize it, right? Instead of offering one particular variety there, they give you a multitude of options. Now let's see here what we have here. What we got here looks like it could be G4 here. Looks like not T6. Usually our T6s look a little smaller. T6. Let's put the sleeve in here. Now, if I were paying attention here, I would know that. Let's see here. Oh, I had it right the first time. There's only one way to put this in here. So I had it right the first time. Usually your gut instinct is always correct there. I'd like to put that there on this side here though. One stopping point I was noticed on their website that they said that this would, if you have an older version of this particular knife with the sheath, it wouldn't fit with the scowls. So I'm hoping that this here fits into the kydex sheath that is provided with the knife. A little bit of each one there. Get it tight there. Don't overstrip her. No, you can overstrip her, but not this here. Alright, there you have it there. The easiest install of all installations. And there you go. Will it fit here? Oh no, don't tell me you're not going to fit here. Oh, it fits. A little tight though, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it was intended for that or not. I'm not sure though. Oh well. That's unfortunate though. So I really enjoy the way that feels in hand there. Yeah, it seems as though that this here. Now they told me that this would fit though. Well, unfortunately, it seems as though if you buy the skeletonized version of the Boker Packlite, it will not fit. It will not fit the sheath here. That's unfortunate indeed. There, very unfortunate indeed. Well, why provide? That doesn't make any sense though. I mean, it seems as though, I mean, it's tight. I guess it does. I mean, it's doing its job. It's just not. I'm not sure here, gentlemen. I got to reach out there to Boker and see if indeed this here is designed to fit this here existing sheath or not. But otherwise than that, though, it you know, that's an upgrade there in my book there. Overall, it looks very nice in hand here. It's a nice overall look here. Fit and finish on the scowls are fantastic and all, but let's see how the comedic sheath here. It should not expand that much there, at least not from my experience. It should just be an easy in and out there. It should snap right in, but this is not. So I'm going to go ahead and reach out to someone here in regards to this actually being the correct sheath or not for it, because it's not clear enough that this actually would fit here, the existing sheath. But I'm not sure why they would sell a skeletonized version and then offer so many scowl options if it doesn't fit the sheath. Not sure what that's all about. Well, I'm going to go contact someone right now.